Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through exactly how to post a video on X, the app formerly known as Twitter, using your PC with the latest update. Whether you're sharing a short clip, a highlight reel, or a full video, the new process is quick and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open the Twitter app on your PC. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to post from. Once you're on your home page, you'll see the Compose box at the top. This is where you can start creating your post. Alternatively, you can click the Post button, which you'll find along the top menu bar. Either option will open the posting window. Next, look for the Gallery button. This is your gateway to adding media to your post. Click that button and a File Explorer window will appear on your screen. Now simply browse your computer for the video file you want to share. It can be any video stored locally on your device. Once you've found it, click on the file to select it. Then press Open. Your chosen video will now appear in the post preview. Give it a moment to fully load so you can check that it looks right. This is the perfect time to add a message, caption, or any hashtags. Your text can help people understand the context of your video or make it easier to find. Once you're happy with how everything looks, the video thumbnail, your wording, and any tags, it's time for the final step. Click the Post button, and your video will instantly be shared with your followers and appear on your profile. Within seconds, people can view, like, comment, and share your video across the X platform. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can take videos straight from your computer and share them with the world on X. Try it out today and see how easy it is to connect with your audience through video.